And cleanup by Dr. Amadou from Brookings Institution.
Thank you very much. I apologize. I have a cold, so I'll try to do my best. So what I would like to do is maybe take a different perspective from really the very interesting and relevant interventions that came before me, and really take it from the point of view of the African policymakers. Because what I believe that going forward, this diversity that we see in the experiences in Africa is going to maybe lead to, would be even strengthened, but the key factor will be how different policymakers in different countries are really able to implement the right policies. So basically, a common misconception has been that Africa's growth has really been driven by this commodity supercycle that we have seen. On one hand, it's understandable. If you take Nigeria and South Africa, you have almost half of the GDP of sub-Saharan Africa. So that's understandable. Nigeria being a large commodity exporter, South Africa also being a large commodity exporter. But our recent work showed that if you look at the contribution of external factors in explaining output fluctuation in sub-Saharan Africa, you find that it's about 50%. So 50% of the recent output fluctuations that we have seen in sub-Saharan Africa, in the largest 7 countries, I have to say, because of data limitation, can be attributed to really external factors. And that's a result that we like very much, because it means that it's a glass half full, because there are the other half that depends on domestic policies. So I'd like to focus a little bit on these domestic policies, given that there's not much that African countries can do on commodity prices. We are price takers. On US interest rates, we don't have a say on Mrs. Yellen's policy. And on China's basically growth policies.